it's time for another unboxing. I'm excited to see because this box is completely kitted out with branding. It's from Hawkins and Brimble. They make barber grade products that are fairly affordable and their packaging looks awesome. If their products are half as good as their packaging, I'm gonna be real impressed. We're just gonna open it up straight away and see what we've got in this care package. Care package, let's call it a care package from them. So I've already done the honors and opened it to make it easy for this video. But let's open it up. But what have we got from them? So we've got some shampoo, some beard oil, and a beard balm somewhere. I can feel products in here. Ooh, that looks like some nice packaging in there. Like wow. They've been really generous. It's not just samples or anything. Like, they've given me like the full-on amounts of products in there. Real good sized beard wash, a decent sized balm, 50 grams of balm. Not even 50 mil. Like, I thought that was 50 grams. Mostly all natural product as well. There's a few other ingredients in there, and a really nice box there for the beard oil. Like, I'm pretty impressed with this. This looks good, and it's Elemi ginseng. Ginseng? I think I'm saying ginseng. Like, it's meant to be good for like stopping colds and stuff. Like, I don't really know enough about it. So the ingredients, I'll do some research on them for when we decide to do a review of the products themselves. So we're just gonna pop out the products. I mean, so a beard wash, it's a real good amount in there. It sounds like they've got a good amount of lavender ginger extract in there. So I see this is the second product they've used with ginger extract in, or will be using. I'm gonna try this beard wash out probably in the next day or so. Give it a good test. I don't wash the beard every day properly with like a shampoo or a wash, but it's definitely one to check out. I mean, the beard balm looks awesome. There's a nice tin on it. Let's have a quick look inside and see what the balm looks like. It's not like the strongest scent ever. I mean, I can smell it. Like, I'm all for real subtle scents. Like, scents don't have to like punch me in the face. It smells kind of clean and earthy and fresh. I mean, I can't really smell the beard wash if I'm being honest through there. Oh, yeah, no. It kind of does feel like a product you would get in a barbershop. That's really good. I really like that smell. It'd be nice, because these are all the same scents. I think it'd be really nice to use a combination of them and see how they work like that. So, I mean, the beard balm looks pretty nice and fresh. Oh, I just touched it. Let's just have a look here. So when I touched it straight away, like, you can see it working, and I think it's definitely got linalool in it, which is like the sheep liquid extract from like when they shave the sheep and they squeeze the glands and they get it gives it that sort of petroleum type feel without being petroleum jelly. So it's a much better way of doing it. Obviously, if you're vegan, it's probably not going to be a product for you unless you're cool with that part. So we're just going to open up the beard oil. I've just noticed the beard oil is 50 milliliters. Like, that's massive. 50 milliliters. Real nice looking bottle once again. But yeah, no, overall, like, the bottle looks good. It's like the Bedfordshire Beard Co. Like, they're using transparent labels on everything. I only just clicked. I mean, the tin is actually, like, that's on the tin, so the tins are custom made, which is awesome. Which probably means they're selling a lot of products, which is always a good sign, because those tins, to get them bespokely made, cost a fair amount of money up front. Oh, yeah. I got some on my nose. Oh, yeah. That smells like a good barbershop type scent. Like, I'm really impressed with that. Like, it's really good. I mean, I'm just having a look here. Don't get any like stickers or anything like that, but the box itself is absolutely beautiful and does the job. So what I'll do now is I'll go away, I'll test those products out over a few days. Maybe with this one, like I'll do a solid sort of week of use, because I'll try and use all three at the same time because they're all the same scent. And I'll let you know how they kind of all work together in a video and how they work in isolation, and just review them using my method of review, which is kind of subjective and objective, but you can work out how I gave them the score I did. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of their packaging in the comments below. I'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.